And welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the brand new Erin Condren academic planners that launch on June 8th. I would like to thank Tori and the team at Erin Condren for sending these to me so that I can share and review them with y'all early. I will have links down below on June 8th, and I will share up close looks on Instagram and on my blog, and I'll have those links below as well. This year there will be a Coiled academic planner that starts at $38. There is a Softbound academic planner that starts at $30, and then a Focused Softbound academic planner that starts at $30 as well. And we will go into each and every one of these. So let's go ahead and get started, and we will start with the Coiled. So this is the classic 7x9 size. This is one of the new covers. They also sent another one of their new covers as well. I really like this one. Opening up, we have the new mid-century circle design. So last year's academic planner was a different mid-century circle. So this one is a little bit different. I couldn't find my one from last year to do a comparison, but I will link last year's video down below if y'all want to take a look at that to see the differences. So again, new mid-century circle design. This is the same design that is in the life planners. And then on the cover page, you have a spot for your name and your school. You have a 12-month overview, and then you have your schedule section with the blank notes. So I like to degree plan on here. So like write out all of the courses that I need to take and then have my schedule on the side. So that way I know where I'm at in my degree plan in regards to my schedule, especially when I'm creating my schedule and picking my classes. This is a dated 12-month planner. So you do get two sides, so you can have one semester and then the other. If you do summer courses, you can just write out your summer classes on this additional page as well if you go all year round, or you can use it for notes or just general information. And then it goes straight into the plan. So you have a note page, a monthly quote page, your monthly view. I like to track all of my assignments by date on here. On the next page, they have a monthly overview. So you have goals on the side, events, and then notes. And then on the next page, you have a section for projects and exams. So you can write any projects and exams going on that month. And then you have a spot for your deadline, any important dates, details, which class, and then what it is. And then flipping into the weeks, you have two blank sections, one mini column, one large column, and a to-do list. You can use this so many different ways. You can track times or your schedule on this side. You can just put important items on this side and then use all this for assignments, or you can just put your assignments on the to-do list. You can also use this for work. In the past, I've used this for work, and I've also used this to track certifications. This planner is probably one of my favorites from Erin Condren because it's just so versatile. It is designed for students, but you can use this for so many different things. You can use it for work, for project management, for certifications. There's just so many different ways you can use it, but we have that. And then at the end of the month, you get 4 note pages. So you get just lines. So if you want to have a page per class, a page per assignment, and then you go into the next month. And again, it's the mid-century circle design, so similar to the life planner. And so I'm just going to flip through some of these so y'all can see the months and what it looks like. In the back, you have student-specific stickers in the back that you can use inside of your planner. So that is the Coiled planner, and then we have the Softbound planner. So this is the rose gold shimmer academic planner with the mid-century circle interior, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm not a pink person, but if you are a pink person, this is actually really cute. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through. This is an A5 size, so it's a nice compact size. And then the pages are similar, so you have that overview, class schedule with note pages, quote page, note page for the month, monthly view, monthly overview, and then your weeks. And so in the A5 size, you lose that column that is in the Coiled due to the size. So you don't get this first column, but you can still make use of this however you want. But yeah, other than the size difference, if you want a smaller, more compact planner and you don't need the extra space, I feel like this is a great option because this is significantly smaller than the Coiled. So here's the 7x9, here's the A5 Softbound planner. And that's the best part about A5 is how compact it is. And then also you can see the difference in thickness. Let me try and put that. Like it's literally half of that depth. So if you want something smaller that you can fit in really any bag, like this could fit in a purse. But yeah, Softbound also comes with one bookmark, and so it's a really pretty rose color, and you can move it to wherever you're at for the week. So in the back of the A5, you do get some note pages. So you get 6 note pages that you can use to write down any important school information, financial aid information, club information, etc. And then the Softbound also comes with a sticker sheet so that you can mark any additional holidays. That is the Softbound academic planner, and then we have the focused academic planner. So this is the Harbor color, and it does have a bookmark as well. It's like a really pretty teal, and as y'all know, I love the Focus collection. You get this pinstripe on the side. You have a yearly view with a section for notes, a class schedule section that's just more minimal, and then I'll also do a comparison so y'all can see these. It's gonna be the best that I can do, but you can see the design differences. You don't get a decorative quote page since it is the Focus and it's more minimal. You get something that's similar in the teacher lesson planner where you have all these notes and then a dates to remember in August section with check boxes, which I actually really like because that keeps you more organized. Monthly view. And then in the Focus, you have the previous and the next month in the corners. You do not get that in the regular. Here are your goals and events, and then projects and exams. And then here is your weekly layout. So again, it's just neutral. You do get the color of the month on the date, but other than that, that is the only color on the page. And then I'll just do a few flips. For the colors, they do use more neutral toned colors and they don't have a specific colorway. The Focus actually comes with 2 bookmarks. So the Focus comes with 2 bookmarks and then the Mid-Century comes with just 1. So that's another thing to keep in mind too. And then similar to the other Softbound planner, you get 6 note pages as well in the back and the same sticker sheet. And then that is the new academic planners that are again launching on June 8th. There are other accessories that are available that came out with the Life Planner that go with them. So you have the new sticky notes that you can snap in to your Life Planner, new ballpoint pens, the to-do snap-in dashboard so you can have a list of everything that you need to do, and this is dry erase friendly. Snap-in bookmarks for the Coiled planner so that you can keep track of where you're at. And then there's also a new highlighter that is coming out. I'm going to assume that they will have more colors. This one is the pink and purple. So other than that, that is the first look of the Erin Condren academic planners. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.